Hi guys! I was thinking to some ideas to make your own face mask at home. So I went to you can go to your local hardware store, and this is what I found online. So I got an air filter, which is a 10 FPR. You can get any size. You can get a Velcro, rubber band. You can use ribbons, shoelace, anything that comes to your mind. You're gonna need a scissor, and that's it. So you take the plastic all out of the filter, and as you see, it have a frame. The frame, you take out the frame. It's very easy to take. There's just glue and on the border. You take them out slowly. Be careful with the have the wire. Just use glove if you need to. After you take the whole frame out, you can throw it away. Recycle, please. And then carefully you start pulling from one side the wire. You hold it and slowly you take it out. See? And you take the whole thing out. Just be careful. Then you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you cut it. So you can make a few masks with only one filter. So again, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make it the size you want, or you need. And then you cut it. And so on. Okay? After you cut it, you go to one side and you can tie it up. This is what I have. Now the other side. Same thing. Tie it up. And boom. I got one ready here. So that's why. Put it in your face. Put it in your face. You fix it. And good. You have a mask. Face mask. Bye.